I'm going to show you for arranging Mr. Tambourine Man. For me, the most important consideration first is the key. And even something with the introduction as distinctive as Mr. Tambourine Man, the way the Byrds did it, there's still a lot of different ways you can play it in terms of choosing a key. So let's try this and see how it works in the key of G. It's G or A. They both work kind of equally well. Can keep going up to C, which is not that easy. So this would be a bit of a challenge because of that jumping around at the beginning. The key of D. This is actually the one I like best because I can really move around well on the top string and make good use of the open A and D strings in that. But in addition to A, you could also do it it's in the key of E even. This is just really to show you that you can choose almost any key for an arrangement. It's all just about what is easiest for you in the end. So when you're choosing to arrange a song, try out different keys and just see whichever one works the best, feels the best to you, and sounds the best also. So I hope it's useful to you. Thanks for watching.